Are you ready for a smartphone that think like a computer, shoot like a pro camera, and might just make the iPhone look outdated? Samsung is cooking up a 5 messy upgrade for a Galaxy S25 Ultra, and these changes could revolutionize your mobile experience. Curious, let's dive into what make the S25 Ultra stand out. Number 1, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Let's kick off things off with the powerhouse at the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is not your standard annual upgrade. It's a game changer. Yearly benchmarks show that its performance actually surpasses the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's right, Samsung may finally have this edge in raw power processing power. What does it mean for you? Instead, Apple launches zero lag, smooth multitasking and gaming at max setting, all without your phone heating up. But that's not at all. And the AI capability in this chip are next level, performing real time tasks like photo analysis, app prediction, and translation, all without relying on the cloud. Think of it's a computer in your pocket. Camera upgrade. Next up, the camera system, where Samsung Ultra series has always been ahead after a curve. This year, we are getting a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor, huge jump from the previous 12 megapixel sensor. You are get stunning detail and clarity across the entire frame. Even when cropping your ultra wide shots and a low light, it's a game changer. With a large sensor, more light is captured, and the advanced AI processing from the Snapdragon 8 Elite ensure your nighttime photo are clearer and more detailed whenever. But the camera improvement does not stop there. Samsung's entire camera system is now smarter than ever, with new AI power feature that can combine data from multiple sensors to create a photo that were previously impossible. Plus, video aesthetics will allow the improved AI subject tracking, automatic framing, and better low light performing. This phone is not just a snapshot, it's for pro-level videography. Number 3, display. When it comes to display, Samsung lead to industry, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. The massive 6.9-inch screen, technically 6.86-inch, take things to a new level. It's got incredible sharpness. Everything from text to photo look razor crisp, and with a high peak brightness, you will have perfect visibility even in direct sunlight. HDR content is going to top with the contrast and vibrancy. Samsung has also enhanced color accuracy, so professional creators can rely on it for true-to-life color, and for everyone else, everything just look better. The adaptive refresh rate intelligently adjusts between 120 Hz and lower rates, optimizing both fluidity and battery life. Whether you are gaming, scrolling, or watching a video, it's the perfect balance to smoothness and efficiency. Number 4, design. Samsung design evaluation with the S25 Ultra is all about balance and comfort. The font is slightly taller but narrow, and its predecessor, and with the rounded corner, it's feel more natural in your hand. Despite the enlarged screen, the premium titanium frame gives the phone a durable yet luxury feel, and it's lighter than both of the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The new color option, titanium black, blue, gray, and silver, looks stunning and shift in the light, creating a unique depth. Plus, special edition like judge green and pink color will be available for those who want something even more exclusive. Number 5, RAM. Now we hear a big one. The S25 Ultra comes with the massive 16 GB of RAM. You might be wondering, do we really need that much RAM in a phone? The answer is a resounding yes. With all the AI feature, multitasking, and high performance gaming, having this extra RAM ensure everything runs smoothly. Whether you are editing high-res photo, switching between app and gaming, your experience will feel instant and effortless. And because of Samsung intelligent memory management, the phone can predict which app you will use next, keeping them ready to make everything faster and smoother. That's a wrap on the 5 game-changing feature of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite AI-powered camera, industry-leading display, sleek design, and 16 GB of RAM, this phone is ready to take your mobile experience to the next level. Are you as hyped as we are? Smash that like button if you want to more tech update, and does not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Let's know in the comments which upgrade you are most excited about.